when importing, you are facing many problems. One of them is the currency issue. Now, in this error, we will discuss how we can solve it. Let's go step by step. Okay, now let's go File, Import, and let's get the file in. Now this file has a unique currency different to US dollar, which is the default in the system. And here is the error. It tells you it's different. Okay, so what's the solution for that? It's easy. Just you need to know what is the currency in the imported file, and you go to Edit, User Preference, and let's choose it from here. In the file there, I have dirham, so Emirates dirham, so I go Close, and now it's defined there, and I go File, Import. Let's go import the file again. Okay, and then please import it, and done. Now, this is one of the issues you will have when you are importing, and this error is the currency issue error. Thank you very much for watching. Most welcome. Please subscribe, share, and like, and also join our membership, because such solutions is provided, and we open it for some time, for a week or two when we publish, and we might open it between time and time to allow for engine search engines to look at it, and then we close it again. So follow up our channel, keep this video in your playlist, so when you notice it's open, you can get in, or otherwise join our membership. It's very cheap membership for such solutions, which save a lot of time, and there is many solutions like this in our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and best wishes for you guys.